I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to withdraw money from your Wealthfront account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Wealthfront account. Open the Wealthfront app or website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to withdraw from. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, find the transfer section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your funds. Step 3. Select withdraw funds. In the transfer section, select the withdraw funds option. This will allow you to specify how much money you want to take out. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. You will be prompted to choose how you want to receive your funds. Options typically include bank, transfer, or check. Select your preferred method. Step 5. Confirm your withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, withdrawals can take a few business days to process, especially if you're opting for a check. If you run into any issues, double check your bank details in the settings. Happy withdrawing!